there's a quiet revolution happening in hiring, and most professionals haven't noticed it. We all agree that AI has entered practically into everything we do. Our fitness, health, the food we choose to eat, everything you can possibly imagine. So have the job candidates and career professionals woken up to what this influence means in the hiring and the recruitment industries. My latest book, Death of the Resume, is like a powerful beam into the future that reveals to you what's coming, and in many ways, what changes are already here. I have dedicated more than half of this book to talk about the ways and means in simplified steps of how you can prepare yourself to stand above others as these innovations unfold. With the current pace of hiring changes taking place, you needed to take action yesterday. Prepare for the hiring future that's already arrived. Don't be the last to adapt. Be the first to lead.